Keeping your facility clean is important. When cleaning and sanitizing food contact surfaces that cannot fit in the 3-compartment sink, such as tables and large equipment, still follow a wash, rinse, and sanitize procedure. It is also important to have a sanitizer bucket available whenever open food is present. The sanitizer must be kept at proper concentration, verified with a test strip. Keep a cloth in the bucket and use it to wipe down food contact surfaces. Prepare a new bucket when the concentration is too low or the liquid is dirty. Don't forget, cleaners and sanitizers are also a food hazard, so they must be used properly and also stored safely so they do not come into contact with any foods. Chemicals must be labeled and need to be stored away from the food prep areas where they can't spill or drip onto any food products.